The use of credit cards and consumer debt in Turkey is actually booming, but ratings agency Standard & Poor's says that trend is posing a serious economic risk. Natalie Carney takes a look at how more and more Turks are turning to credit cards to get by.
Ayhan Tuncel had to sell his share in a coffee shop to help pay off his debts. He says he was approached at work by a number of different bank representatives, promising him credit cards with high limits and no monthly fees. Ayhan, a truck driver, soon found himself with 13 credit cards and 35,000 lira in debt, or the equivalent of over $16,500 US.
I have so many cards, I can play card games. I borrow money from my friends, then pay them back with my bank overdraft, then pay that one with one card, and so on. In the end, I borrow to pay, and at the end, I can't pay my debt.
He is among millions of Turks who are in over their heads in debt. According to Turkey's central bank, credit card debt came in around $38.5 billion US last year, while consumer loan debts topped $115 billion US.
Turkey's rapid growth over the last 10 years came from consumer spending on credit. A decade ago, here in Turkey, consumer debt was practically nothing, whereas today it amounts to roughly 55% of households' disposable income, according to data out of the UK.
And that's being generous, according to Ayhan. High inflation and a slowing economy are leading to Turks buying everything from televisions to cigarettes on credit. This debt is adding to an already stressed economy, with a dangerously weak currency and a current account deficit of around $65 billion US, or 7.9% of GDP, weakening foreign confidence. Yet credit card companies say the percentage of non-performing loans and outstanding balances have decreased despite market growth.
When we look at the market numbers, the official numbers from the Turkish central bank, we actually see until December of 2013 that the non-performance loans accounted for approximately 5 to 6% of the total outstanding balance of credit cards. And actually it was much higher in years before. It was 9%.
From street stands to text messages, Ayhan wants to see an end to what he sees as an aggressive push from credit card companies to use their product. However, as Turkey's tightening economy forces Turks to tighten their wallets, economic reforms are doing little to help Ayhan and the millions like him out of their continual cycle of debt. Natalie Carney, CCTV, Istanbul, Turkey.